welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Peppa Pig eggs. Before we open the My Little Pony eggs, I try to color these with markers, and it just keeps. I used the hair with black and I used the yellow food with green, but it didn't quite work. The color was trying to get away. It couldn't stick on the Princess Cadence hairs and shoes. So today we're going to show you this. We're going to open this, but only if it's in the last part of the video. Only in the next part of the video we're going to open it. Show you the front, and let's give you the back. So now let's open it. Where's the hole? There's a giant hole right here, so we're going to open it from here. As you know, every single egg has a hole. Go on next part of the video. Just kidding. Let's show you the eggs one by one. Here's a one. Here's twist, 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 twist. Let's go on to the next part of